The VPK Bearing Company presents to your attention the CX51-212 single-row thrust ball bearing from the Polish manufacturer CX. This type of bearing is designed to absorb axial loads along the shaft axis and is widely used in assemblies that require reliable fixation and stable operation under one-sided pressure. The CX51-212 bearing is distinguished by its robust design, precise geometry and high-quality materials, which ensures a long service life and resistance to wear, even during intensive operation. It is excellent for use in industrial equipment, mechanisms and various units where reliability and accuracy of operation are important. The main dimensions of the bearing: inner diameter 60 mm, outer diameter 90 mm, height 26 mm. Such parameters make it a universal solution for a range of tasks. You can always find more detailed information about this bearing, its analogues and other positions on the VPK Bearing Company website, VPK Pitch, so that everything works for you.